In this video I'll show you how to remove the side mirror of your Toyota Corolla. It's very simple and you can do it in less than 2 minutes. Here you'll need to remove this plastic panel. Use a trim removal piece or a flathead screwdriver and pull it out. Be careful because the small knob for adjusting the mirror will fall down, so maybe you remove it before starting. That will have been smarter, I guess. And now there's 10 millimeters bolts there. You'll need to remove with a 10 millimeter socket. Be careful to not lose them. Here I'm at the scrapyard. I don't really care, but if you're gonna put the mirror back there, take them away and store them somewhere you will not lose. When you're done, just go outside and pull the mirror with your hand. Maybe you'll need to wiggle it a bit and you'll be done. To put it back, it's the same process but reversed. Just put it back and put the 10 millimeters bolts there, put back the plastic cap and you'll be done. Thanks for watching and leave a comment, like, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.